Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to put bearings, not sucky bearings, uh, bearings for a skateboard and able to put it like on the trucks and stuff, if you know what I'm saying. So it really isn't that hard. You just need to put the bearing on like that, right? Alright, cool. Then you put this, I think I put that in there, right? And then you just push on it, and sometimes you might feel a little snap, which is pretty snazzy. And if I was you, I would test to see how good the bearings are, and do the same thing for the other part of the bearing. Why is this not working? Okay. There you have it. You got your wheel and bearings in. All right. I'm using this for a socket. So yeah. It's a sucky bearing. Look at this sucky bearing. It's doing better, but that's all I got for now. I have plenty of other bearings, but I'm using what's good and what's not good. Or what's good, because I need good bearings for my skateboard at least. This sucks. Sucky bearings. Alright. Back to the actual point of the video that I'm making. That's not the correct bearings. That's right. Yeah, okay. So, I like the colored rubber on the outside on the bearings. I don't know about other people, but I do. So there. Ooh, not all my bearings are good. That's okay. Alright. Did I even go in? Probably not. Sometimes if you're an idiot like me, and yeah, pretty good, actually. Alright, so I need a bolt, or nuts, or whatever you like to call them. You need these things, because it fits on here. And then just screw it on. I use my hands from time to time, but I'm using my hands just until it gets tight. And then I'm going to tighten it with this wrench that I'm using, because it's easier. That's all we got, because we don't have any sockets at the minute. That's okay. You have it. Do the same thing for all the other sides. Alright, let's just shoot the bearing, I guess. Oh, I forgot to put this wheel on. Yeah, whoops. I'm stupid. Wow, that's pretty nice, actually. Alright, so let's shoot the next one in. Don't spin the wheel, that makes things difficult. I think I put that in. That's okay. Yeah. The video I learned this from is from Braille Skateboarding. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll just put the video in the description. Not the link, the video. I don't know. I'll find some way. Then, next set of trucks. That can move. Yes, I'm on my bed. Get over it. Get roasted. Pretty quiet, but it's not very spinny. Like at all, but that's okay. That's all I got. Oh, I heard it that time. Scratch that. It's a pretty good bearing. Alright. I don't even know what types of bearings these are. All I know is this one is a Bones Reds or something like that. Next! Okay, so let's put this right here. This is like at 9 o'clock at night. Mom! What time is it? Wow, I'm filming a video for YouTube right now at 9:28. It's on how to, like, hook up your skateboard and bearings and wheels. I know, I'm sorry, but I need to stay with the video. Great bearing. So, it's a wheel. Yeah. That is a really loud bearing. You have to make sure it's lined with the hole. It's not so wrong, but that's okay. I'm gonna have to clean these bearings eventually. Okay, and then do that, and then there you have it. And you got your boards and bearings and all that stuff set up and ready to roll. That sucked. These bearings suck, except that one. The bearings that are in here now suck. Where are my other bearings? I know I have other good bearings. Oh, I guess I did have them. Sucky bearings. This one's probably better. So, sorry, I think so. No, that's the wrong way. Okay, so it's this way. I'm gonna put in better bearings because I just found out that I have them. They look like crap, but they spin on my finger pretty well. So, yeah. You're gonna see how to take the bearings out of the board or the wheels. Ugh. Sometimes you need to reef on it, but that's okay. Oh, this one didn't take much. Ah! Just hit me in the face. Alright. This one's okay. That's pretty good. Yes, you can have the ball bearings that are inside open, but it just makes the bearings not last as long. But I can't find the metal part to this, or the cover for it, so whatever. That's a sucky bearing. Okay, how about this bearing? Alright. Well, this is a 10-minute video. There we go. So much better. Holy God, those other ones were terrible. And these ones are just beast. There we go. Those are better. Alright, so there you have it. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't, well, that's fine, whatever. You didn't like it. And if new, sub, because my channel is so close to 100 subscribers. We can do it, guys. We can do it. I promise. If we can get to 100,000, I would like cry or something. Like I would die. Well, not literally, but it's enough to get a silver play button, and I want one of those. So yeah. Peace.